In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change menu font on Wix. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor so you can access the elements you want to update. Once your site is loaded, go directly to the navigation menu on the page and click on it. This is important because Wix only shows the relevant editing options when the menu itself is selected. So make sure you are clicking the actual menu and not another nearby section. After the menu is selected, look for the design option. This is represented by a paintbrush icon. Click that icon to open the design settings for your menu. This area gives you control over the appearance of the menu, including how the text looks and how it behaves visually across your site. When the design panel appears, click Customize Design. This opens a more detailed set of styling controls. From there, go to the Menu Items section and then choose Text. This is where you'll be able to adjust the typography for the menu labels themselves. Now you can change the font by opening the Fonts drop-down menu and selecting the typeface you want to use. As you preview different fonts, keep readability in mind, especially if your menu includes several items or if your site is viewed on smaller screens. Along with the font itself, you can also adjust the font size and apply formatting such as bold or italic, depending on the style you want for your website. Small changes here can make a big difference in how polished and consistent your navigation feels. Wix also allows you to customize the menu text for different states. This means you can set a separate font style or color for the regular state, which is how the menu looks by default. The hover state, which appears when someone moves their cursor over a menu item, and the current page state, which shows visitors which page they are currently on. Adjusting these states can help make your navigation clearer and easier to use while also matching your site's branding. As you make changes, take a moment to review how the menu looks overall. You want the style to feel consistent with the rest of your website, while still being easy to read and visually balanced. Once you are happy with the updates, your new menu font styling is set. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.